Hey Pravana babes, it's Aspen Ray, Pravana digital education content creator, and I'm here to show you a beautiful sultry smoky look. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to prep the hair using Purify and Revive Prime Spray before my sectioning so it has time to do its magic. So I have everything in front of the ears parted off, then starting in the back, I've created two 3-inch sections above the occipital bone, and everything underneath is left out for our first section. The balayage I'm doing today is a French balayage inspired technique, which is going to mimic the look of hand-painted highlights with highly saturated ends. I'm really focusing my product on saturation on her mids and ends because this is a smoky look and I want to make sure to get her canvas nice and bright. Pro tip, if you're using a non-clay-based lightener, use a form of barrier control like saran wrap or meshy sheets, or do as I'm doing here where you bricklay your lighten sections onto non-lighten sections so you're not laying lightener on a section you don't want to be touched. Here you can see I'm keeping the high points of her balayage around her hairline, even in the back, so she can have some really nice ponytail pops. I'm making sure to really detail the high points and keep it bright around her face and her hairline, even in the back. Now starting in the front, I'm still creating those high points around her face, but in every single section, so it can create a higher impact face framing. Pro tip, if your client has baby hairs, comb them or use the end of your color brush to just put them on their forehead and get them out of the way so you don't get lightener on them. If you do lighten baby hairs in a balayage, this can cause them to look like the section has skipped or even that those baby hairs are breakage. So keeping them dark will definitely create a much more natural look. On the top section, I'm going to be taking horizontal sections directed back in a mohawk subsection. I'm doing a detailed French balayage here where you can see where each highlight is going to be painted. This will create the most control and saturation for her curl pattern and give us the highest impact face frame. Starting with my base, I'm applying the Smokey Series 6NT9 at her base in a teardrop pattern, and I'm going to be dragging that down about 3 inches from her new growth. After her base is applied, I'm going to mix 2 parts of 10.91 to 1 part of 8.92 with 1.5 parts of 10 volume cream developer and apply that formula all through her mids and ends. Now we're going to process for 30 minutes, and after rinsing, we're going to complete our styling and take our beautiful model from this to this. Thank you so much for watching with us today. You can follow me on Instagram at It's Aspen Ray. Don't forget to follow Pravana at Pravana, and we'll see you next time.